we had a meeting this morning, right, about how we're going to have to kill a lot of our mouse lines because we've got to stay absolutely strictly focused on the major questions. We can't wander. Differential calculus. Yeah. I'm a very, very positive person. I'm really a glass half full. I gotta say, the mood around here is not that great right now.
Peek through here, but you can get the sense of it, I think, in terms of this is, a shuttered old building. If we get a reduction in rate, we have to make decisions across the whole institution about how many buildings we can have, how big we can be, and so buildings like this will have to be knocked down instead of renovated.
Basically, we look at human diseases that have some sort of chromosome abnormality associated with them. A brand new chromosome, called a human artificial chromosome, that is derived from this. There's a lot of uncertainty around how many students can we actually bring in to the new class. This is happening all over the country, so our next generation of researchers are now poised on the edge of this cliff, not knowing if there's going to be a bridge that's going to get them to the other side, or if, like, this is it, we're at the edge of the cliff.
Pretty stressed.
Yeah.
I need
Yeah.
funding, so
Yeah.
you need to find it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Of the disease, and then when they die, we'll offer to allow them to donate. Learn about us that way and ask how they can be involved. Some people find us through the website. What worries me is that the sort of sledgehammer approach. Our exam room where we bring the participants, they come here to get their neurological exam. I sort of think of biomedical research as the patient. It's an important patient. We all want to save it. We all agree on the diagnosis that there's some waste and inefficiency. I worry that the treatment that has been proposed is going to kill the patient rather than treat the disease.
We can't even exist, and Sarah will probably agree. The school of we have grants that are submitted for review. They're just in a holding tank. They're not going to get funded on time. My group, we have never once been in the red. Not in my 30 years at Duke have I been, 31 have I been in the red. We're likely to go into the red. And so that means I'm going to have to lay off people. I'm going to have to, turn down people who I've committed to. Small piece of the pie. We couldn't, we wouldn't live without it. We love it. But it's I can't think in this chaos, right? I'm not thinking about the next experiment these days. I'm thinking about who can I quickly write a grant to? You know, what philanthropist can I reach out to maybe to help me with the stopgap? That's not what I should be doing.